Babies, let's trace the alphabet. Green color, pink color, violet color, brown color, brown color, brown color. R. R for rose. Brown color. R. R for rain. Brown color. R. R for rocket. Violet color. Violet color. R. R for rose. Violet color. R. R for rain. Violet color. R. R for rocket. Green color. Green color. R. R for rain. Green color. R. R for rose. Green color. R. R for rocket. Pink color. Pink color. R. R for rose. Pink color. R. R for rain. Pink color. R. R for rocket. Brown color. Brown color. R. R for rose. Violet color. Violet color. R. R for rain. Green color. Green color. R. R for rocket. Thank you.